Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a room reveal video like this where some furniture are popping up. And this honestly looks incredible. This usually needs some expensive 3D software, but now we can create this video using only AI. And by the way, the original video look like this. It is just a camera movement from one place to another where the room is empty, but later you can add this furniture animation into the video using only AI. And this is very useful if you want to create a marketing material for a real estate or property product. This is actually very smart. This is very efficient, and I'll show you how you can do it using Gemini AI and of course the video model from Google, which is the video model. So step number one, you need to prepare a video that basically looks like this, where there's a camera movement moving from one place or one room to another. So you can have your real physical video, or in this case I'm just using a video that was created by AI, so it's just a drone footage. It's not real, of course, but this is for demonstration only. So I have downloaded this video to my computer, and after that I need to extract at least 2 frames from this video. So I want to get the frame from this section and then another frame towards the end of the video like this, where the room is now in the full view. So you can use any video editor to extract the frames, or you can also just open the video via a browser, which in this case I'll just open it via Chrome, and I'm going to extract the section maybe around here. I'm going to right click and then click save video frame as, and let me just save it. And then the other frame is right here. I think this is okay for me. I'm going to save the frame like that. Now we got the first frame and then we got the second frame of the video. So for the second frame, which is the last frame, we want to decorate the room. We want to add something here so it's not look empty like that. And for that, we are going to use Gemini AI. Let me just open Gemini, and I'm going to upload the last frame of the video. So just drag and drop video, not the video, the picture, the frame into this area. And I'm going to use this prompt to edit the photo. You can find this photo editing prompt in the description down below. And there are a few things that you can customize. Right here, you can specify the name of the room. This is very important because this will affect the furniture or the decoration in the room. Let's say this is a living room, and I want to have the style of maybe modern. Let me just use that. Again, you can use a different name or different style. It's up to you, but those are some examples that are available in the prompt. Click tools, click create images, select either thinking or pro, because these 2 settings will use the Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. So after that, Gemini will add a few things, a few elements, a few furniture into the room, and that's going to be the last frame of the video that later we are going to create using the video model. Now, when it comes to creating a video, you can actually create the video directly in Gemini, because Gemini do have the video generation feature, but it is not as granular as the one in Google Flow. So later we are going to use Google Flow to turn these 2 frames into an actual video. Now just wait for the result. Okay, so this is one example. If you don't like it, you can always click the redo button, but in this case I think it is quite decent, so I'll just click this. And the photo is now being downloaded into my computer. In the meantime, you can open Google Flow at labs.google/fx/flow. That's the URL, and you can log in with your Google account. I'm going to start a new project. And right here, you can select frames to video like that. And then here is going to be the first frame. I'm going to click upload, and then you have to select the first frame from the video that you have recorded or created. So this is the first frame, and then click crop and save. Okay, just wait for the photo to be processed. Now I'm still waiting for this photo, to be downloaded. It will take quite some time because the photo is very big. It's gonna be 2K resolution. That's why it takes quite a while to finish. Now it's still being processed. Yeah, on top of uploading the photo, Gemini, or in this case Google, will analyze the photo first, make sure that it's not violating some guideline. That's why it is very slow when uploading the photo. Anyway, let me just continue, and I'm going to select this decorated view of the room. Click crop and save. Okay, so after that, this is the prompt that you can use. This is the video prompt. Again, you can find this in the description down below. I'm going to copy the text. Let me just put it right here. And you can modify the prompt if you want to, but you can also leave it as it is. Now, let's open the setting. Right here, you can select the aspect ratio, which in this case, I'll select the horizontal or landscape aspect ratio. You can select the number of videos per prompt. I guess I'm going to choose 2. I want to see 2 different variations. And for the model, honestly, the quality version is, well, just a lot better, but at the same time, it is also more expensive. It is 5 times more expensive than the fast model. And because of that, I'll just select the fast version. Now, after that, you can just send a message and just wait for the videos to be generated. And by the way, I actually got this inspiration video. I got this idea from this video. Someone made a really cool video like that, but he's involving a professional video editor tool like DaVinci Resolve to create the video like that. So it's pretty cool, but at the same time, it is also a little more complicated for most people. That's why now I thought, why not creating this kind of video, but only using AI tools and not using any video editor. I think that's going to be really cool. And by the way, if you're interested, I'm going to leave this original video, my inspiration, in the description down below in case you want to check it out. Anyway, I guess I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the final results. Okay, so this is the result. Now, I haven't played these 2 videos, so let me try maybe this one. Okay. Maybe that couch wasn't there. Yeah, it is adding something into the video. The furniture wasn't there to begin with, and then it is trying to matching the end frame, and that's why some items are just gone from view because they weren't there to begin with. Okay, this one is, well, not very good, but how about this one? Okay, that's actually way better. All right. Almost, yeah, the chandelier wasn't there to begin with. That's why it is trying to remove that from the view towards the end. Yeah, that's very unfortunate because the video looks really good. The only problem is indeed just the chandelier on the ceiling, but everything else looks amazing. Now, I guess you have 2 options for this. First, you can just stop the video around the 7-second mark. So that means out of the 8 seconds video that was created by the video model in Google Flow, you can at least use 7 seconds of them. I think that's still quite solid. Or maybe you can use some editing tool to remove this object from the view. Now, actually in Google Flow, there is an option to remove an object, but as far as I know, you cannot select the exact frame of the object. So you can only start from the beginning, which is, well, not very useful in this case. So it's really cool, but I cannot use the tool to remove that chandelier from the video. But I guess other than that, the video looks pretty good, and maybe it can be used for a promotional material for a real estate or a property product. And if you are interested, you can download the video to your computer. You can select the resolution, or you can also just upscale the video to 1080p or even 4K if you want to. So I guess that's basically how you can generate a really cool animation, which is just a camera flowing from one place to another within a building, and then some furniture is just popping up or into view. And honestly, it looks really cool. You don't have to use a 3D software because now AI can do it for you. So that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.